Hi guys, so welcome to Fire Alarm Demo 3. It's finally here. And guess what? Today's Valentine's Day, so happy Valentine's Day. Give your family member a flower. And let's get started. So first, this is a first alert smoke alarm. N0430734045. This is a new smoke alarm. This is a new smoke alarm in my collection. This is the first one. Then next, this is a fire alarm horn. Then this is the call point. I forgot where the horn was, but I removed it and I placed the call point here because the horn made the battery empty, like in a few hours or in a few days. Okay, so next, I think there's a problem from that horn there. Problem from the horn. Okay, next, this is a fire alarm. This is a fire alarm and BNG1. This is one of my favorite fire alarms. I found this from a college. Then next, this is a BG10L. I don't know if it's an L or just a 10. I don't know, but it looks so cool. This is a classic alarm because it has the crowbar. Okay, next, this is, let's see. This is a Simplex 20999754 T-bar, and this is a cool fire alarm. It's one of the popular fire alarms here in the U.S. Next is it's a Firelight BG12L. This is the most popular fire alarm ever found in like building and stuff. Some jails have this, but not a lot. Okay, let's get started. First, let's put my radiation headphones on so it won't be loud. Alright, let's turn it on. Get the code bar. Wait, this is a hex key I got. Yeah. Okay, so maybe let's do the BG10 or L. Oh, it doesn't work. Let me try it again. I know this has a problem. See, it just goes up. There you go. Nice. So this alarm is has a problem because if you just like try to hold it, it just go back to normal a few times. I don't know how it goes like that. I don't know. Maybe it's a problem with this alarm. Okay. Put it back. There. Now it's back. Alright. Next, this is the BNG1. I found this in a college. Oh, wait, I forgot. Sorry. Alright. Now, the next one is very, very loud. And I don't want my dog's ear because it'll hurt the ears. We're gonna test the smoke alarm now. This is very loud than like the kiddie smoke alarms, and here we go. super loud. Yeah, it's super loud. Next is the call point. Alright, since this is good, now let's do the simplex one. Go. So after the vid, I'm going to do the key version, like when you just pull it down just like that. Okay, here we go. Okay, then this is the final one, the BG10. Oh. Okay, since that is reset, now let's do the key version, and then we're gonna set all of the fire alarms at once. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Okay, now I'm gonna do a fiesta, and which means I'm gonna turn on all of the alarms. Okay, here we go. I'm kind of scared. Okay, we're done with the alarms, and bye-bye.